So today, day 47 of the travel vlog. We're in the heart of Dartmoor. So we're nestled in the heart of Dartmoor. And where are we, Deb?
We're at a gorgeous little place called Fingle Bridge, and it's a 17th century bridge that was built originally for packhorses. It's made of granite and it's very narrow, and we've come here today to have a little explore. There's a beautiful pub called the Fingle Bridge Inn that I think we're going to pop in and have some lunch.
Yeah, so come along on the journey with us. We've got some woods to walk through, we've got some rivers to have a look at, and we'll check the bridge out. So come along on the journey today, and we've got some beautiful surprises as we go along the journey. So come along. It's an ideal place for trekking, walking the dog, or just coming out with the family. So we're walking on the bridge now, going over the river.
Beautiful.
So this is Fingle Bridge. Absolutely stunning, isn't it?
Yes.
Hopefully you can hear that beautiful sound of the water. And there's a lovely little 18th century pub there that we're hoping to pop in and check out the menu.
Yes, looking forward to some lunch.
As you can see, dogs enjoying the water.
They love it.
Absolutely stunning along here.
It's very peaceful, isn't it?
It is very peaceful. And it's nestled in the heart of Dartmoor. It's about 30 minutes drive from Exeter City.
You'd never believe that such a big city would be so close, would you?
No.
Feels like we're in the middle of nowhere. Gorgeous.
There's many trails that you can go on. What a beautiful place to come and sit and relax by the riverside.
It is just stunning. It's so peaceful.
Definitely worth a day out. Don't you think, Deb?
Oh, definitely on a summer's day. But do you know what? I think even in the winter or autumn it would be beautiful here, because all of the trees will turn orange and reds and browns. I think it will be stunning no matter what the weather.
Right, let's go and have a little walk around the woods, shall we?
Yes.
And then maybe lunch.
Yes, I think we're going to have to be pretty quick, because it's filling up already there and it's not even midday.
So maybe we should go for lunch and then the woods afterwards.
That would probably be a better idea, because I do know that it gets very busy here and you can't book. So it's first come, first served. So that might be a good idea, actually.
All right, let's go and get some lunch. Well, I hope you're enjoying the channel so far and this video. If this is the sort of thing you like, do subscribe, and don't forget, we always do a regular raffle. Now, our raffle site is in a link below. Do subscribe. What do you think, Deb?
Yes, if you fancy a flutter, just have a little look. Pop on the link in the description below and see what prize you might win.
Yeah, so if slow travel, freedom lifestyle is for you, then this is the channel for you, and do subscribe. And right.
Enjoy the rest of the video.
Enjoy the rest of the video, yes, definitely.
So we have the menus. Let's see.
Fingle Bridge Inn, isn't it?
Yes, the Fingle Bridge Inn gets booked quite quickly, I think. Well, it's not booked, you're not allowed to book. It's first come, first serve, but what a beautiful setting. Couldn't get much prettier than this. I've had a quick look through the menu, and obviously for those of you who know, I'm celiac, so I have to only eat gluten-free foods. There's a few things on there. I wouldn't say it's extensive gluten-free menu, but there are enough to choose from. And I think I'm going to go for the chili beef nachos.
Lovely.
What are you going to have, Patrick?
It's a good question. Let's have a look, shall we? So I think it's quite a good menu for the likes of me, because I haven't got any allergies. There's some good starters there: soup, breaded white bait, chicken, some good main courses, cooked ham, whole-tail breaded scampi, beer battered fish and chips, homemade lasagna, homemade vegetable lasagna, steak pasty and curried vegetable pasty. And then there's some ploughmans and some salads and some light bites. Then we've got burgers, children's menu, some baguettes, cakes, ice creams, Farmer Tom's ice cream, and sorbet tubs, some bar snacks, i.e. crisps, nuts, that sort of thing. And then we've got an array of drinks. So what I'm going to go for today, I think I'm going to go for steak pasty. Steak pasty with chips and peas. And
Sounds nice.
Yeah, and wash it down with a bit of Pepsi. My favourite tipples are Coke Zero, but they don't do it, so it's Pepsi today.
And it is worth mentioning Wi-Fi here, isn't it, Patrick?
Yes. Obviously, the phone's Wi-Fi is not working, but they do have Wi-Fi at the pub.
You
So
just need to ask for the password.
ask for the password, and it's very simple, and it's running quite well.
Perfect.
Definitely dog friendly here. All the the bowls of water.
What a beautiful view from this bridge. Just stunning. And so peaceful. Especially on a lovely day like today. I'm still not brave enough to get in that water though. It looks a bit too chilly for me.
So, we're down by the riverside here, and we're just about to take a walk along one of the many paths through the woods. So why not come along and have a walk with us and see if you think it's as beautiful as what we do. So here's the Woodland Trust, National Trust Partners at Fingle sign, just to give you an idea what's available.
And it says there, Fingle Woods and the Castle Drogo estate. There is a beautiful castle nearby called Castle Drogo. We're not going there today, but again...
That's for another day, isn't it?
Yeah, that would be for another day. But yeah, if you're in the area and you fancy doing both, that would be ideal.
Right, let's have a little wander into the woods. As you can see, it's reasonably flat for most people to be able to walk around here. I mean, there is rougher areas that are more for hikers, but it's a definitely safe environment for families and people in general, wouldn't you say?
Yes, this is such a lovely wide path, accessible for all. And it's not as busy as I expected it to be. There are people around, there's families enjoying it, there's dog owners enjoying it. But I would say it doesn't feel crowded at all. But you can see, there's nobody in front of us.
As you can see, this is a car park area. Now, I tried to get over the bridge in our car, and it's a bit too wide, so I scratched it a bit. Don't tell Debbie.
I was in the car, so I couldn't miss it. I did warn him not to go over the bridge in the car, but he didn't listen. So.
But obviously, if your car isn't too wide,
I think, was it?
You can get over 6'6".
6'4", I think it was. 6'4" width.
So this is a lovely place to park up. I hope you can hear that on the video because it is absolutely stunning. The ripple effect on the stones, absolutely stunning. I must admit, I'm loving it here, Deb.
Me
I know I
too.
keep saying it.
Me too. It's hard not to though. How can you not fall in love with this beautiful place?
Look at the beautiful stones that this bridge is made of. Absolutely stunning. What a beautiful day. What a lovely way to spend the day as well.
In the middle of Dartmoor.
Yeah, walking along the river,
Gorgeous.
through the woods.
You must come. You must come to this beautiful, unspoilt place. It's just stunning.
Fingle Bridge is definitely a place to come, isn't it?
Oh, I would highly recommend it. Totally recommend it. And just summing up the whole experience today, it's just been lovely from the bridge, the history behind the bridge.
Yeah, 17th century, wasn't it?
17th century, and the Fingle Bridge Inn, which was 18th century.
That's the inn, yeah, the pub.
The staff there were phenomenal.
Oh, weren't they?
They were so on point.
On point everywhere.
Yes, and they were friendly, chatty, very busy there, but they still took the time to make you feel welcome.
What was your meal like?
Oh, I had the nachos, as you've already seen. They were absolutely delicious.
It looked stunning, actually. I thought, oh no, I've made the wrong choice. But mine came out being the pasty and chips. And to be honest with you, it's probably one of the best pasties I've ever had. So I would highly recommend the food at the inn.
Yes, big thumbs up for the Fingle Bridge Inn there.
Yeah.
And these walks and the woods and the riverbank following that is just absolutely stunning. If you're ever anywhere near Dartmoor, I would highly recommend coming here. We love it.
I think it's, so far for me, it's one of the best places I've seen within Dartmoor.
Yes, I think I'm inclined to agree. And Dartmoor has lots of beautiful places, but yes, I think this is a real gem. This is a hidden gem.
Yes, a hidden gem in Dartmoor. And one thing I would say is, if you like walking, perfect, because there's loads of trails. If you like to take your dogs out and you want a day out, perfect. If you want to take the kids out for a day out, perfect. If you're, you know, a little bit older like ourselves and you want to go for a nice gentle stroll around, perfect. If you're on your own and you just want to relax and take in the atmosphere of this beautiful area, perfect. So it's an all-round perfect for me.
It is. Definite thumbs up.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend it. So Fingle Bridge in the middle of Dartmoor, definitely worth thumbs up for us.